Hey guys, well then today I'm back with another tutorial. This time we're gonna be making tiled maps or maps which will be able to be used in our game. So the first thing you want to do is go to mapeditor.org or just search up tiled and you should come up to this website. This program is going to allow us to create tile maps for our games. So you can just press the download via itch.io and then just download it from there. It's a really good program, and yeah, we're gonna be needing this for our game. Right, so once you have that downloaded, we should have this. Yours should be probably blanked, or blank, I guess. Let me hide that really quickly. Right, so yours should be blank. You should go up to File and then press New. For our case, it's gonna be 20 tiles by 10 tiles. It should give you a pixel value down here, whatever. And here's gonna say tile size. So you're going to need a tile set, which I will put a link in the description to a tile set, or you can just make your own. It's just a bunch of images which can be used to make a map. It's a lot more efficient, and I'll show you how it works in a bit. Right, so once you've done that, you just press OK, and this should come up a grid of empty space. Right, so now you want to go to Map, and then New Tile Set. And here's gonna ask you to type in a name. You're just gonna write Tile Set. And then your source, you're going to need to go that. And if I can find, where is it? There it is. Open assets, tile set. Just open that. Tile width, 64 pixels. Tile height. Yep, that seems right. Press OK. Now on the right here, your palette should pop up. I guess I can hide that now. Alright, so now you can just select tiles. For example, you can choose the black square or whatever. We're going to use these green things in the future for slope physics, but for now all you're going to need is the black tile. So what you want to do now is just, I guess, draw like a map or whatever you wish. I'm going to draw a basic map, just a straight line with a few jumps, maybe. On this episode I'm just going to focus on the tile map and importing it, and then we're going to be focusing on a player and make him jump around the level. So let's just do a bit of boundaries up there. Yep, test collision and everything. Right, now you can save it. If you go into your file, and then in your assets and save the TMX files, for example level 1.tmx, right? And then what you want to do is actually export the map. So the way you can do that is go to File, Export As, and then where you have your file, I should have set this up earlier, but that's okay. And in here we can do level 1.csv. We're going to use a CSV format, and I'll show you what the CSV format does right now, actually. So if we go into our CSV file, if I can show you right now, this is going to come up. So as you can probably see, -1 is a free space. It has nothing in there, right? A 0 is our first index in our tile set, which is the black block. And then, for example, 1 would be the red tile, blah blah blah, and so on, right? This is all the CSV file is. It's nothing really complex, it's just a text layout. Right, so now we're gonna need to actually load in the tile map. The way we do that is go into our preloaded class, and in here, right where we set our comment, where it says load all assets, we want to do this .load tile map. We give an ID of map. It's just like loading an image, except you're using a different format. So this load the tile map, add your path to it. Oh, sorry, I'm still sick. Level1.csv, that's what we saved as. Yes, that's correct. And then we actually gonna need to load our tile set. This load image is gonna be an image. Tile set. Tile set. There we go. Assets tile set.png. Perfect. Right. So that's all we need to do to load in a CSV file. It's really simple. Right. Now we need to actually display it. So the way we do that is go into level 1, our file for level 1, and in here, um, we need to set some variables. So those variables we need a map variable, which is going to be a reference to our actual map, and then a layer map, which is going to be a reference to our layer in the map. At the moment we're only going to use one layer. We might use 2 or 3 or however many we want in the future, but all you need to know now is a layer is just technically a layer of tiles, right? So now we need to specify what is the tile set, I guess the image of the map. What is it gonna use? So the way we do that is map dot add tile set tile set image, and then with the ID tile set that we set in the preload function. Right, then we need to create our layer. Layer equals map dot create layer 0. It's gonna create a layer of index 0, and then all we need to do is resize world. Now, if we run our game, oh god, oops, something's gone wrong. Not sure what. Tile set image of defined. Add tile set. Alright, let's try that again. Add tile set image. Right? Let's see. Can I read property add tile set of what? Oh right, we haven't actually set the tile. We actually haven't set map to anything. That's what's going to happen. So, oh god. The way we can do that is one thing I actually forgot was we can do map equals game this dot add dot tile map yes, and then the index of map, and then we need to specify a tile size. So each picture, or I guess each picture in the tile set, what's the size? Here it's 64 by 64 pixels. We save that and run. Right, and hopefully, there we go. Right, that's our tile set right there. We can't really explore around it, which is what I'll get onto the next tutorial. We'll make a player that's gonna explore this level. So as you see now, we have our black tiles around surrounding this, with our background still being transparent. And that works. So thanks for joining in, and goodbye.